Hello, my brothers and sisters. Happy Sunday. I greet everybody. May God bless you all. Hope una enjoy una Sunday. Today, no music. I don't want to play music. I want just get this video of this our brother where I see for YouTube. So far, say no number. The video touched me. As I watch the thing touch me. The thing touch me well. So I just feel say make I give am. For my own, it's my opinion, my brother. I just want to give you a little opinion of my own, because as I watch that your video, I don't know ya we gbere ya bo yen nedo. If no era we ona me woman we obi wa we the thing go pay you, no. So my brother, little advice wey I want give you, your sister, because when as you take talk for the video where I watch, this say not be the first time where this man they beat your sister, and which is very bad. Man not supposed to dey beat woman. Man wey say one beat woman, if na man, because that your brother, that your sister husband not be man, it's not a man enough. Man wey one beat woman, you not be man. If you want really fight, say you want boss, you want do bossing, not be for woman body. Woman no get power. We woman, we no get power. We no get that strength we men get. We no get time. Now mat now we dey. We don't talk a while, we go come up for there. Any man wey dey beat woman no be man. Any man at all wey you don't raise your hand say beat wife, you are not a man enough. So my brothers, I see your video, the thing pay me well for your sister. I see her. I want just use this audio take talk to you, my brother. Now you with your family, now you go help your sister. Now go help her. For now, I'm not let her go that marriage house again. For now, because you say no be the first time where they do it. I can't beg you, because you don't wear I come you nure ana we back on. I can't la you nure ne or don't finish. So now you now go help this your sister. Mona help her. She need help. You get wetin it alone they call say they'll say powers of the matrimony. Powers of the matrimony. That is, if you get problem for your marriage home, you have the right say you want, that is, you want break for now. You want think about wetin you want do for life. So may your sister think wetin she want do for her life. Edo we omana gie oma se omana vie. Because see one now wey kill his wife. I think na for I don't know the place. I see him for Facebook. So my brother, since your sister still there alive now, mona try, mona help this your sister out for there. Because omana gi omana vie. I don't know. Or I don't know. Then it's too late to cry. It's too late to cry. Because now I go help this your sister. Man wey dey beat woman, if it happen once, may I say if it happen once, since you marry, if it happen say your husband raise his hand, go tell you so never in history will never happen, it not go happen again, you feel forgive her. But if it happen for the second time, third time, no, it go continue. It go continue, because they go get the day where go knock am for where not supposed to knock am. The woman go dead ground, go the enemy go die. So Mona help this woman out. I see the video, the thing pay me. I say no, I'll find chance. Me, I just a little advice to your sister. Just a little. Now go help her. Because if this man na beneath for happen, what did they go do? I know, at least person wey still get a brother like you, not talk say not get person for back. If na beneath person, when they will go there, if you see the eye of the brother self, he go run. If you not let her do it again, they go break his hand, break his leg. They'll say, "May come and we can't do the bossy for our side." Waiting, how you beat woman like this? Not be the first time. The day where you go do and go knock him for chest, huh? So my brother, I feel your pain. I feel the pain, because you say not be today start. It no good. Mona help her out. May she come up for that marriage for now. If she go, but not be now. Not be now. Make the man know. Because if the woman go back, say the man just go back, they can say, okay, follow now your husband. if you follow am, I pray, oh my brother, may not be say next time you know see this your sister eye again, because you know say sometimes we dey do something stupid, say I no wan make person laugh me, you go dey for inside suffer for them. No, as marriage no be do or die. Marriage no be do or die at all. If you dey for husband house, the man dey maltreat you, he dey beat you every day by day, no, that one no be marriage. You better comot for that marriage. You better comot for there, because may you save your life. I know say children dey, go come dey see children, that one na normal, because man wey dey beat woman, you no know the next time wey go beat you, where go knack you go see yourself for mortuary. Because all this men wey dey beat women, I no know wetin dey go, they no, e get wetin dey their brain wey no correct, because man no just dey beat your wife, woman wey you say you love, wey born for you, you just dey beat am like that. This man get problem. He get problem. May he look for person wey wan help am, because it's not a normal thing to dey beat woman every blessed day. If before you go talk, you go give am slap, you go hit him head for wall. E no good. So this man get problem. His children, may go dey see his children for more than not give am children, because for me, I know person man wey dey beat wife like that, I know dey say make dem give am children, because the day wey the thing go enter him head, he go carry the children, go use their head take knack wall. He go come dey see his children for him wife place. When you go don know, say realize say wetin he do, if he change, your sister fit go back. But for now, for me, for my brother, if na my sister, I go tell am say sit down for house, no ever go now, because no, see that one, I don kill him wife. He don kill him wife before him eye come clear. All this men wey dey, una need treatment, correct one. They need that, because it's not normal for a man to just dey beat woman. When you know say that woman no fit follow you fight, you know, go outside, make you go say you wan go fight man like you. So my brother, so far so on, no on back. The thing pay me, my brother. As I see your video, the thing just touch me and say, if na my sister person they do this thing too, I go still give am my own advice. Because for me, if na my sister, I go tell am say no go for now, no go, and then no warrior go one, no. Man wey don dey try, and women wey dey there, some women dey wey dey receive all this beating every day. Before he talk, his husband don knack am for head. Mona cry come out, because Mona not talk say I wan stay there, I no wan make people laugh me. If person laugh you, na good pass say dem dey cry you. If person laugh you, na good pass. So first of all, may you save your life. First of all, save your life. Because if the man kill you now, he no even get time to cry, say, oh, my wife don die. Before you know it, he don carry another woman enter house. If man dey beat you, may you talk to your family. Tell them, say, this house, I not say I not go again, but for now, I want stay on my own. Or maybe I join here, when get I want marry, I be join here. No. So my brother, for me, because I see the pain for your eyes, say I no fit do anything for my sister, you go fit do something. Tell her make she not go for now. Make she not try am, because if she go again, wetin go happen for next time? It go be past this one. That man need treatment. May him family go treat am. If he say he want his wife, he want his wife back, may he go treatment. At least for 6 months. May he go treatment. Because some men, they get problem, because the way they take grow, maybe they see their mother that they fight all the time, no say children, wait till you teach children when they're small pikin, they go dey their brain till where they'll grow. So men, as this man now, he don't they see father they beat his mama anyhow. So the thing don't dey brave. If you see woman, maybe if wife talk to her the way not like, now beating he go take settle the matter. Say make him use man take talk to her. I will not even na violence. So my brother, I beg, me come beg you, beg your family, mona try. This woman, she no fit again, make she first stay, agbon majo e ma ro no ma omo don yan ma wu at least o maybe ene don still born, so make fair relax, make fair think wetin she need for her life, make the man go treat himself because it's not a normal thing. If na the first time now say the first time you no try am again, make we give am, you fit give man chance. E still dey happen for women wey dey raise their hand for their husband. You say okay, no, e no happen again. But if e happen for the first time, you forgive am, second, third, no, e no go change till e go treat himself. If e no treat himself, make your sister no go, because if she go there, na another thing na another thing, because yan wey agbon now, if you no do something good for yourself, who wan come do am for you? Na another person wey dey look, now e come do am for you. Even though make dem dey laugh say you don turn to single mother, you turn to single mother, na good pass say the man wey you marry na use him hand take kill you. Na good pass. So make your children for enjoy you. Tell am say for now I need break. You go fair break. Even dey happen for this Europe sef, you see husband and wife, dem say make dem stay for sometimes, make dem get break, make really think wetin she need for her life. Talk about say woman wey born for you, the man just beat am. No, my brother, no. Oma dey because the man need more show example, because this man you now, you be man, you still get another brothers. If na bini yan have your born gbere ni yan gbe, for the first time we will forgive you. No let her happen again. If you see una eye for head, you go fear not, before you go raise the hand go up, you go think and say the brothers dey there. Ukpako ni have you, they will break your leg. Na madness. How you dey beat person pikin like this? You just beat her, you say nothing dey happen. So my brother, just a little advice now, say me I tell you, tell your sister make she stay, make she first stay, make she first think about her life. See her, like say you just give am, and maybe na small blow na you give am wey be like this, today wey go give am heavy one, all eye go just come out for inside head. For wetin? Because of say I want stay my husband place, I want stay there, I no want make person laugh me. If they laugh you, make them laugh you, my sister. First of all, you need your life. You need your life, my sister. You just need your life. So no let anybody advise you say make you go again, no try again. This one not be the first time, as your brother say talk, it not be the first time, not be the second time. No, it's enough. It's enough, my brother. So my brother, Mona help una sister out. Mona help and she needs help. She need that. Even though she say she want go now, no, I dey go now. Mona tell her say no, because her brain not come. You know say some women they really love their husband. He go say no, do it again. He go still do it. He go say Mona forgive. No, make she first sit down. Make she first sit down. If the man don't change, say 6 months, give her 6 months, make take change. Make the man go hospital, make go hospital, go treat himself. Because this one, man to the beat woman, me I not dey like am at all. I not like am. No. So make the man go treat himself. May forget about your sister for now. You go dey see children. If you say Mona give am children, Mona not give am, because me I know the person wey we dey call am violent, person wey violent, wey dey beat woman. If you beat pikin, you go still fit beat pikin. So children, they no fit defend themselves. So Mona not give am. For me, you go dey see children for there. If na every day one go dey see children, may go dey see am. For now, may your sister may go a father place, may go stay. May go stay, because all these things, the day when you go see, they'll come call you, say, see you now, so it reach you. That time you'll say like I die no, and it's too late to cry. So just a little advice, my brother. So I feel your pain, really. I feel I even feel the pain of your sister. I understand. Say I know one may I leave my husband, but sometimes some men you need to leave them. You need to leave them, make them know what then they lose. Because if you not leave them, say me I not say I not marry again, but me I fair leave you. Stay on your own, me I stay my own. Otherwise that man, he brain, he not go come down. how you go see your wife na so beating now you want make you dey beat am. No be say make you carry am make you una go eat, una go guide him, una go play. If you just see am na so beating now dey hungry make you dey beat am. One day you go kill am. Say because you say na your wife say he do something wey no. At least man suppose to dey talk to him wife, no be beating dey take dey do something. Man, a real man, if you say you wan fight, you go fight your another man wey be like you, wey you know say he get power like you. Because we women, we no get power, we no get. Na only mouth na we get. We no fit follow man fight, even though say the man you senior am for maybe you senior am 2 times. You no fit, we women we no fit follow the fight. God don do that one, don't do that one. So this man, this your husband, abeg go treat yourself, because it's not a normal. It's not a normal woman where you go meet his family say I love you, I must marry her. When you marry and finish, you go carry and put for house, you go dey beat and beaty. Yeah? If he do you something, you get their family there. Go talk to them. They will still talk to their sister, say this is the way your husband come dey report, so may you not let am happen again. At least 1 talk to her, 2 talk to her, and go yeah. Not be say before she go open her mouth, you go just give am blow. You don't know I want swim in your way. You go knock am for nose, blood go enter his brain. You go call them say, Mona call una sister. No, my brother, I beg, eh? So fast no one buy, I beg, me come beg you, may una help una sister out. May una help her. May she not go. May she not go again for now. Una not say may not marry, may she not go for now. May she first sit down for her house. I beg bound and buy, or maybe an man way. May she first sit down. If the man don't change, she go even know say the man don't change. Go tell am say I no say I no marriage you. People dey wey dey stay for a papa as they marry now. The husband come dey meet am. Go dey look am whether the man don change. So the best thing, if you want see your children, you are free. See your children. So to give the children to the man. Man not try and go use the children head take knack one day, because you know say some men dey now where they beat their wife. Now so beating now they want make them they beat. You go just carry the children, maybe send a message, you know, go just take and stole war. Man are not trying at all. The man need treatment, so make the family go treat her. So just a little advice for me. If not my sister, the same thing now go still tell and say, no go there for now. No go. One day that man go just kill your enemy through way like that. Just because say I want to stay with my husband. May first stay yo. From there you go dey watch am. If the man change, so they say no, na my husband I no want. I met my sister. First of all, think about your life and that your children. Because if he kill you now, nobody go care. Nobody go take care of your children. Nobody, because in your way, many jagba or gomo, okay. So my sister, first of all, think about your life and your children. That man need treatment, may go treat himself. So my brothers and sisters, just a little advice for this our brother, because I see the video, the thing just pay me well. He pay me, pay me. I even they cry, say how man go just dey beat his wife every day. Not be the first time. The boy say not be the first time. Now. I greet everybody. Today is Sunday. I just want to rush on. So, Mama, I greet you. Good evening, Mama. Mama, I greet you. From Untouchable, Mama. One love. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye.